Here's some marketing advice you don't hear very often. Buy more stuff. What's up, YouTube? This is Matt with 4Media Brilliant Marketers, and today I want to talk about something that I never really hear addressed very often. I hear a lot of tactics and tricks, but this never comes up, and I'm wondering why. Basically, I like to call it becoming a professional shopper. You can do it all the time. You should be doing it all the time. Basically, it's just shopping for stuff. You know, if you're in marketing and you have like ads disabled on your phone and your computer, don't do that. First of all, you have to know what it feels like to be shown an ad that you're like, oh, I want to know more about this, or I want to see what this is all about. And if you're not getting ads that are targeted to you, to your interest, like you don't have to do anything crazy, just search what you normally search and you'll start getting ads for stuff that you actually like, which will start giving you crazy ideas for your campaigns. But don't stop there. Actually click the ad and then go through the funnel. If you want to end up buying the product, go ahead and buy the product. I do it all the time because I actually want to see like what the fulfillment looks like and the packaging and things like that. And I'm not even talking about my clients' products. I'm talking about like their competitors' products and other products. But just being a conscious shopper is something that like you can start doing right now. I'm gonna give you some awesome like tricks you can do like when you're in the funnel and how to save the platforms that they're using so you can know how to build it for yourself. Once you're shopping, let's say you find an ad you like. Well, if it's on Facebook or Instagram, you can save that ad if you know how to use the Facebook library. If you're on YouTube, what you can do is copy the debug info. So you want to right click on the video and copy the debug info. And there's this awesome website you can bookmark or save. And when you paste that debug info inside this website, it will generate a link for that video. And then you can save that video if you want to go back and refer to like how that ad works. Definitely click on the ad so you can like see whatever quiz funnel or whatever they're doing. It gives you really good ideas. You're kind of doing it anyway, so just start being conscious about it. Another tool you can do on your professional shopping ninja spy investigation is Wappalyzer. I think that's how it's pronounced, but basically it's a Chrome extension that you can do on a website and it will show you all the different softwares that they're using. So if you're like, wow, I really like the way they did this bundle packaging, or I really like the way that they did this quiz, or I really like this animation that they made happen when I scrolled on the page. You just click Wappalyzer and it's literally going to tell you everything. It'll tell you what emails provider they're using. It'll tell you if they're running Facebook ads. It'll tell you all that in one place. They'll tell you where the website was built. Did they use Webflow? Did they use Shopify? Are they using a page builder like Pagefly? And so then you can see like, okay, I want to replicate something like this, but I know I'm going to need Webflow. I know I'm going to need to install this widget and all that good stuff. So I use Wappalyzer a lot, but I just wanted to bring that up. You should be shopping consciously. Like you should be seeing an ad, like as you're scrolling through Instagram and you see an ad and stop and like watch it, take notes, or just kind of like observe as you're doing it. The best way to do something is to actually do it. And we don't really put ourselves on the other side of the aisle and become a customer and like just know what that feels like. What does it feel like to be upsold? Did they present it in a nice way? Did it sound like a good idea? Did it sound salesy? Did it turn me off? What would I think if I wasn't in marketing? When I hear marketers say they have their ads turned off on their phones and their computers, it makes me think of like if you were a movie director who didn't watch movies or TV. Like you just read books or something. Like how do you know like where to get inspiration from? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more marketing tips and comment below if you're a professional marketer and also a professional shopper. Stay tuned for more marketing tips. We'll see you on the next one.